Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create easy half-tone star pattern in Adobe Illustrator. Use Star tool to draw a star shape. Fill black color and outline none. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Width 2 pixel and height 2 pixel. Select shapes and go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specify steps 25. Again go to object menu and blend and make Alt Ctrl B. Use direct selection tool to select shape. Select shape and width 40 pixel and height 40 pixel. Select shape and drag with Alt key for duplicate shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shape. Finally, your half-tone star pattern is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create half-tone star background design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.